How does patient education impact clear aligner therapy success? Are you considering clear aligners for your orthodontic treatment? If so, it is super important to understand how much patient education is crucial to the success of clear aligner therapy. In this video, we're going to explore how patient education impacts clear aligner success and what you can do to ensure that you are fully informed about treatment to get the results that you want. So clear aligners are a booming treatment out there and a super popular choice for a lot of people nowadays when it comes to orthodontic treatment. The biggest thing though is clear aligners require a very high level of patient engagement and involvement with the procedure. It is essential to understand that clear communication and patient education are critical factors when it comes to success of clear aligner therapy. When patients have a clear understanding of the process from start to finish, it helps reduce their anxiety and build their trust. It also improves compliance. And with aligners, compliance is key. Patients need to be aware of the commitment involved with this procedure. Things like how long they have to wear their trays, how important it is for them to wear their trays, and also giving them some detailed instruction on how to care for their aligners, what they can eat, what they shouldn't eat, how to keep them clean, what they shouldn't drink, what they should drink, can they drink with the aligners on, do they need to take them out? All these questions, so many answers. Patients watching, ask your dentist these questions. Every provider has different rules and ways that they like to practice, so I don't want to say something that your provider doesn't agree with. Just ask. Another thing is that patients should be informed about what they can expect during the process, including any discomfort or pain that may arise, how to manage it, knowing the expected results and potential risks associated with clear aligner therapy, and then also just setting some realistic expectations. All these play into a well-informed patient about this treatment. Overall, clear communication, patient education are vital for success in this procedure. When patients are well-informed and they have a clear idea of what is going on, they're going to be a lot more willing to comply. They're going to be more engaged. They're going to be more motivated. And all this is going to culminate into better treatment outcomes. Everybody's happy. You got to remember, with clear aligners, patients are doing most of the work. I'm serious. And taking an active role in your treatment with clear aligners can involve multiple steps. For example, it's important to keep your aligners clean and wear them for the recommended amount of time, which is every day for 22 hours. That being said, this may mean that you have to adjust your eating or drinking habits because you should not drink with your aligners in, and you should always take them out whenever you eat. If you do drink with your aligners in, just know that you are going to have a lot more staining and you could potentially damage the aligners. Another way to maximize your treatment is to communicate regularly with your dentist or orthodontist. If you have any questions, any concerns, don't try to figure it out on your own. Just ask. For example, if you notice that your aligners aren't fitting correctly, or they're not fitting properly, or they're causing you pain, you should let your provider know right away so that way they can help troubleshoot it. Sometimes it's just the nature of that process. Other times it could be a problem, and the sooner that they know about it, the sooner it can get resolved. So in addition to following up with your provider while you're going through treatment, the biggest thing is going to be hygiene. Hygiene, hygiene, hygiene. Keep your aligners as clean as possible. Keep your teeth and gums even cleaner. It's super important to know that before you ever put your aligners into your mouth, you must brush and floss. You can use mouthwash if you want, but at the very minimum, please just brush and floss. It's important to remember that clear aligner therapy is a partnership between the patient and the provider, and the education part for the patient is a crucial part of this relationship. It's the easiest way to help prevent any unexpected problems that may arise. For example, proper aligner care is essential for optimal results. Patients should know how to clean their aligners properly so that way they don't cause damage or harm to their teeth. A simple way to do this is to rinse them with soap and water and use a brush to gently clean them. Don't use toothpaste because that's super abrasive and it'll actually cause more staining. So if you experience any issues with the aligners, definitely call the office. For example, if the aligner becomes loose or it breaks, call the office to determine the best way to proceed. Usually it's a good idea to keep your previous aligner so that way you can just go back one tray and hold in that position. Then once the current tray that you're on gets ordered as a replacement, you can go back into the office and then you'll be able to get back on track with treatment. So to tie it all up, like I said, patient education is crucial for this treatment option to be a success. Patients are doing most of the work, let's be real. So as dentists and orthodontists, we need to provide support for them. And the easiest way to support them is to communicate with them. Arm them with the education and with everything that they need to know about this treatment so that way they can have the best results. For dentists out there, if you're looking to get started offering aligners to your patients, be sure to check out the free masterclass that I created. I walk you through the strategy that I used to start 50 cases in my first 6 months. The link for that is in the description below. So yeah, patient education, can't say it enough. Need it, need it, need it. When the provider and the patient are in sync, the results are going to be beautiful. I made this video because I find that a lot of providers don't actually educate their patients, which leaves patients to be very confused, vulnerable, and just not know what the heck is going on. These are your teeth, and your teeth are important, and you need to know how you need to do this treatment. So if you didn't learn everything from this video, which you didn't because because this is like a 8-minute video, be sure to talk to your dentist or orthodontist and ask them these questions. I made some other videos that should be helpful so that way you can get an idea of what to expect during your clear aligner treatment. So be sure to check those out too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drill that like and subscribe button. Thanks.